Hi, 5th grade. Thanks for joining me again. We are talking today about lesson 95 of grammar. You need your grammar book, you need something to write with, you need to have read the lesson, and you need to have looked over the lesson explanation on Jupyter. We're starting on page 511. Our first vocabulary word today is paltry. Paltry means having little or no value, insignificant. So our example sentence is, Nicholas only received a paltry salary for all his hard work. Our second word is paltriness. Paltriness is insignificance. For example, the paltriness of Nicholas's salary offends him. So today we're going to talk about adverbs. Adverbs are descriptive words that modify or add information to verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They are like adjectives. Adjectives modify or give information about nouns and pronouns. Adverbs do the same thing, but for verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Most adverbs answer the questions how, when, where, why, and how much, meaning to what extent. So today we're just going to concentrate on adverbs that tell how. Adverbs that tell how usually modify a verb or verb phrase, and they often end in the suffix ly. Okay? That's a good rule of thumb, but it's not always the case. So if you look on page 511, you have a list of some common words with their noun, adjective, and adverb form. And in these cases, the adverbs all end in ly. Right? So bliss, blissful, blissfully, nature, natural, naturally, help, helpful, helpfully, danger, dangerous, dangerously, sense, sensible, sensibly. But, of course, we need to remember that not every word that ends in ly is an adverb. For example, lovely, friendly, orderly, and lonely are all adjectives. So, in order to determine if a word is an adjective or an adverb, we need to look at how it functions in the sentence. Some words, such as hard, fast, right, early, and long, have the same form as adjectives and adverbs. So we do have to pay attention to what the word is doing in the sentence. If what the word is doing in the sentence is modifying a noun or pronoun, then it's an adjective. If what this word is doing in the sentence is modifying a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, then it is an adverb. So we have to know the difference and we have to be able to identify the difference. We also have to be very careful, especially with words that end in ly that are not adverbs, or with words that have the same adverb and adjective form, that we are not mistaking a predicate adjective for an adverb. Remember that a predicate adjective comes after a linking verb and it gives more information about the subject of the sentence. So it is modifying the subject, which is either a noun or a pronoun. An adverb is not the same thing because it's going to be modifying the verb of the sentence or an adjective or another adverb. So it's unlikely, not always impossible, but unlikely, that an adverb is going to follow a linking verb. Okay? So let's look at our practice. It's on page 513. For A through C, we are asked to identify the adverb that tells how and the word or phrase that it is modifying. Sentence A, a prince sits proudly on the throne. Our adverb that tells how is proudly, and it's modifying sits. It's telling us in what way the prince is sitting. He sits proudly. Sentence B, fast, powerful vehicles burn fuel rapidly. The adverb that tells how is rapidly, and it's modifying the verb burn. It's telling us how, in what way do the vehicles burn the fuel. They burn it rapidly. Sentence C is Mario repaired the computer quickly and easily. Here we have two adverbs telling how, quickly, easily. They are both modifying repaired. They are telling us how Mario repaired the computers. For sentences D through G, we need to identify whether the italicized word is an adjective or an adverb and which word or phrase it modifies. Sentence D is his lecture seemed long. Long is the italicized word. Long in this case is an adjective. It is a predicate adjective. It's giving more information about the subject lecture, and it follows the linking verb seemed. Sentence E, did he speak long? In this case, long, the italicized word, is an adverb. It is telling us how he spoke. It is modifying the verb phrase did speak. Sentence F, Max made a right turn. Right is our italicized word. In this sentence, it is an adjective. It is modifying the word turn. It's telling us what type of turn he made. Sentence G, Max turned right. In this case, right, the italicized word, is an adverb. It is modifying turned. It is telling us how, in what way, he turned. Right? So that is lesson 95 about adverbs that tell how. I hope this has been helpful, and I will see you guys here later for more grammar. Have a great day.